Harvey Weinstein appeared in a New York court on Wednesday, as prosecutors told a judge they will retry the disgraced Hollywood producer, a week after his rape conviction was overturned.
Obviously, there's a tremendous sense of relief that we're back here.
Weinstein's attorney, Arthur Aidala, spoke to reporters after the hearing.
We're very confident that if it goes to trial, the only words we'll hear at the end of the trial are not guilty.
Weinstein remained silent during the hearing, which comes more than 4 years after his conviction was hailed as a milestone for the MeToo movement. But in a 4-3 decision last week, the New York State Court of Appeals said the trial judge made a critical mistake by letting women testify that Weinstein assaulted them, even though they were not part of the charges he faced. The 72-year-old has been serving a 23-year prison sentence in upstate New York, after being convicted in 2020 of sexually assaulting a former production assistant in 2006 and raping an aspiring actress in 2013. According to a spokesperson, Weinstein was transferred to Bellevue Hospital in Manhattan following last week's order. Weinstein was also sentenced to 16 years following a separate rape trial in California. The two sentences cannot be served concurrently. The judge in New York on Wednesday remanded Weinstein back into custody and said he expected to hold a new trial after the Labor Day holiday, but did not set a firm date.
I want to get in front of you.
Obviously, there's a tremendous sense of relief that we're back here. The most obvious difference is the judge that we're before. Judge Curtis Farber clearly is the consummate professional. The way he handles his courtroom, the way he handles litigants before him on both sides. He has a reputation of being very fair, but the reputation that he really enjoys is being very intelligent. And that's what we want. Next to me is Diana Fabi Sampson and retired Judge Barry Kamens. We were Harvey Weinstein's attorney. We will now digest every syllable of the prior testimony of all the witnesses. We will assemble a team of the best and the brightest and make sure that this case is litigated properly in front of an excellent judge who the difference between this judge and the last judge is night and day. And we're very confident that if it goes to trial, the only words we'll hear at the end of the trial are not guilty.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.
People have asked me what will happen to the MeToo movement. Will the movement continue? And this is my answer. This movement is alive and well in New York, in California, and in many other states.
Mr. Weinstein did not get a fair trial. I mean, that's the easiest way for people to understand it, is that they said he did not get a fair trial and he deserves to have a do-over, although he was acquitted of the most serious charges. So it'll be a less dramatic trial. It won't be as long. And we're very fortunate and Mr. Weinstein is very fortunate to be able to be going back into this courtroom today in front of a judge with an excellent reputation to prove his innocence, which he has been steadfast about since the day I met him approximately 5 years ago. I'm going to head into court.
What is Harvey telling you when you talk to him?
Go. You know I'm innocent. Go in there and prove that I'm innocent.
Thank you.
Where's that?